Hello everyone, this is Priyanka back with yet another vlog. So today's vlog is kind of a gardeny, naturey, and I'm gonna show you some veggies that we have grown in our kitchen garden. So these are some okras, and you can see some chilies as well in our kitchen garden. So it has been raining for the last few weeks, but today it was kind of a little sunny day. So I just thought that I should shoot this video. So you can see some tomatoes as well in our kitchen garden, and the day was really pretty today. So bear with me guys, I'm gonna show you some beautiful things today. I think some people might not think these are beautiful, but for me, like, the simplest of the things are the really important things in my life. So yeah, I just love such kind of days, such kind of when everything is really slow. Okay, so now meet my friend. He comes here early in the morning, and he knows that I'm gonna give him food. So yeah, but he's also scared of me. So these are some bell peppers that we have grown in our kitchen garden. So the name of this fruit is persimmons, and in Himachal people call it japani, and it's really tasty. It totally tastes like a mango when it's ripened. It's not ripened yet. So she's my dadi, meet my dadi. She's looking for some okras in the garden, and she is his mom. Both are really scared of me. I don't know why. Even if I feed them in the morning, but still they are scared of me. So these are Rita. These were used in earlier times for shampooing and all. By the way, I don't know the English name of it, so I'm gonna say it Rita. So these are some veggies that Dadi has collected from our kitchen garden. So she's gonna make this for her dinner. Fresh green leafy vegetables and some okras. So that's it for today with this little vlog. I hope you guys loved it. If you like it, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, stay tuned, and bye.